Dear friends, let us learn how to make a beautiful pentagonal prism, 3D pentagon or a pentagonal box using construction method. To make this pentagonal prism, you need a A4 size sheet, instruments of geometry box, Fevicol, scissor, stapler, etc. Take a A4 size sheet, fold it to half, make a circle on it. Make sure there should be gap of at least 1 centimeter between the edges of the sheet and the circumference of the circle. Number of sides in pentagon is 5. Divide 360 by 5, you will get 72 degree. So make a angle of 72 degree at the center of the circle like this. Make radius and make 72 degree angle using protractor. Now measure the arc of this angle using compass. Now using this, cut the circle into 5 equal parts. Now join. You will get a pentagon. This is a regular pentagon because all sides are equal. Now using set square, we have to make 90-degree angles or perpendicular lines at both the ends of all 5 sides of this regular pentagon. Make perpendicular lines at both the sides of all the 5 sides. Now open the compass up to the shortest perpendicular line. Measure the shortest perpendicular line. Cut all the other perpendicular lines with the same length. In this way, the length of all the lines have become equal. Now join all the cut marks with each other. In this way, you will get a very beautiful symmetrical figure like this. See the figure. Now we have to cut this pentagon along the outer boundary. Fix both the sheets by applying using stapler. Now cut along the outer boundary and you will get a pentagonal shape. Now here you will get 5 triangles. Mark left side of each triangle and cut all the marked side. You have to cut marked side of each triangle only. Now fold all the triangles inside. You will get this type of figure. Now fold all the rectangles one by one inside. These rectangles will work as flaps. Now remove the stapler pin and separate both the halves. Now take one half and paste each triangle under the adjacent rectangle one by one. Paste the triangle under the adjacent rectangle one by one, like this. In this way you will get a beautiful rectangle pentagonal shape, like this. Do the same for the other half also. Now put one half into the other. In this way you will get a beautiful pentagonal prism. Please like this video, comment on this video in comment box, share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let's think different. Thanks for watching my friends.